snowed again. What else is new? Midweek storm, 6 to 10 inches of snow. And there's lots of icicles and snow, and I'm not sure where they're putting it all. Oh, yeah, right there. That must be it. How are you feeling today?
Very good. And you?
I'm great.
Great. This is my 10th year.
It's your 10th year
Yes.
at Mountain Creek?
Yes.
Woo!
Yeah, I love Mountain Creek.
That guy's awesome.
Here I go. I came and went, seen and conquered. I have never been so alone. Paint your rivers and your cities and your guns and go. Oh, tell the stories and the secrets like they gotta be told. Alright, I come back to this town, falling in on myself. I have never been so alone.
Sun's out now.
Sun's out, guns out.
Sun's out, guns out. What's that mean?
Told a girl that I thought I wanted. I am swimming in the dirty sea. So
Thank you.
feel just like a coffin. I want to.
How long have you been riding? Yeah? That long, huh? Since you could walk? That's so crazy. All right, well, good bonding with you. See you later.